Hello, hello. I am back with another fabric haul. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining, I am Martika, and most of what I talk about here is about sewing. And if you're returning, welcome back. So, I did a thing, something that I have not done in quite some time, and that is I did a fabric haul at Walmart. Okay. I had to think about what I did, but I did a fabric haul at Walmart. Now, when going there, like here lately, I haven't, it's not like I'm going to Walmart every day, but usually it's when I'm like picking up something. But when I have gone back there, they have not had near about as many bundles as they used to. Okay, I know that my Walmart closest to me that do carry fabric, they used to have tons and tons and tons of bundles and changing them out on a regular basis. But that has not been the case for the past few months when I have gone in there. But this time, I went on ahead. I was there to pick up, I think, some saline solution for my contacts. And I said, let me go on back here and see what they might have. And as I approached it, it was still, I was like, oh, this is slim, still slim pickings, but let me see what they got over there. And y'all, when I took a closer look, yeah, I'm glad I did go ahead and take a closer look versus walking on by because of the sparseness that I saw on the shelf. So let me show you what I got from there. So the first thing, I won't say the first thing, but this is the first one that caught my eye, is this is a French terry knit. I do know that. This is a French terry knit, and it was $2 for it was 2 yards for $4. And this had like a kind of like a what is it, like a leopard print type on here, but it's like this gray and cream color, and it's only 2 yards. Get that closer so you can see the print. And it's only 2 yards. However, um I said I could make a really cute like sweatshirt top, and maybe put like some cream colored bottoms with it or something like that, or make some bottoms out of this. Make like some drawstring, tie up bottoms out of this and put a cream colored sweatshirt with it. So I think that that would be cute. But either way it go, it's very soft, and I like it a lot. So I went on ahead and grabbed that. And then I also grabbed this rib knit. This is like a black and gray and kind of like a white, like a blend of a rib knit. It was also $2. I keep saying $2. I wish it was also 2 yards for $4. So you could say $2 a yard. Yes, pretty much $2 a yard. So yeah, I just thought that that was a beautiful rib knit, and I pulled it out there because I always pull out the fabrics there to get to the single layer of it to see how opaque it might be. And so this one, it actually have a little bit of a thickness to it. So I thought this would be a really cute, some type of sweater top. So yeah, I went on ahead and grabbed that. Very, very cute. Then there was also this really nice cream colored rib knit. This is pretty much a cream color, but the rib knit is a little bit larger than normal. And this has like a little bit, I don't want to say like a shine, but kind of like a sheen to it. Okay, but really, really nice fabric there. And two yards for $4 as well. So whether I was thinking, I don't wear a lot of turtlenecks, but I don't mind them if the turtleneck is like a drape type of turtleneck, but I don't like the ones that stuck to my throat. I get too hot too easy, but I could definitely do some things with this rib knit here. And then I also spotted like this sweatshirt knit. Yeah, this is more like a sweatshirt fabric. So I said, hey, you know what? I could just throw together my own black sweatshirt. I'm thinking of like maybe like a raglan sleeve sweatshirt or something like that. I have plenty of black rib knit that I could pair up with this, but for $4 for 2 yards, I couldn't leave it there. So that was a plus. And then I got overjoyed when I saw that there were two of these. Okay, so just know that I got two of these. All right, look at this rib knit. This is, look at the colors. It's just so pretty. You have like black and olive and cream, and then like this black and cream mix here. And the gold. The gold has like a little sparkle to it. But oh, y'all, this is so pretty. I have not decided if this is going to be a dress or if this is going to be like a tunic top and pants set. I haven't decided yet, but I have two of these. So just know that I got 4 yards for $8. Okay. So yeah, I when I saw that, I had grabbed one, and then as I was looking through to see what else they had, that's when I spotted the other one. So got two of these bundles. Nice, very nice. So I did pick up this one here. There were others that I picked up and I put them back, but I also put this back as well. However, the next morning when I woke up, I said that would have made the cutest 70s feel tunic top and pants. Really relaxed, really nice loungewear. And I said, girl, you should have went on ahead and got that, because I was contemplating really hard on putting it back. I got up, got dressed after my workout. I I jumped in the shower, I got dressed, and I went on back and I said, if it's there, it's for me. And it was. Y'all, I was just seriously, you probably looking at this saying, why did you put that back? This is a rib knit, but it's like a two-tone. It's like a rust color or burnt orange underneath, and then like a cream mixed in. But just the rib knit gave it, a really nice effect. Let me get that a little bit closer so you can see that. Really, really nice fabric. And yeah, I'm just so glad it was still there. And it has such warmth to it. It's not like super thick, but it almost feels like it's thermal almost, but it's just a really tightly knit rib knit fabric. And for $4 for 2 yards, and I got two of these. So once again, I got 4 yards for $8, and there were only two of these. So I am so glad that this was still sitting there when I went back, just waiting on me to bring it home. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to make like some elastic waist pants with like a tunic top. And I'm just seeing that classic, just long sleeve, just really classic, maybe V-neck or something. But yeah, just really cute. I don't know, maybe like just like a little lower cut round neck. I don't know, but I know it's going to be comfortable and it's going to be cute, and I'm going to be cute in it. All right. So, yeah, I got two of those. So, that is my Walmart fabric haul. So, if you do still have fabric at your Walmart and it's looking pretty slim, don't pass by it, because if I would have went on ahead and passed by this, I would have missed all that I just showed you. So go ahead and get close up and take a closer look into those shelves, those bins on those shelves, and see what exactly they do have in there, because obviously they may not be getting a whole lot in, but they are getting something in, because these were not there the very last time that I looked, which was some weeks ago, but they wasn't there. So just know that they're evidently still getting a little bit in. So just take a peek anytime you're in there. So I hope you have enjoyed this fabric haul. I hope that I've helped you to see that there are still some really great fabric deals out there. You just have to look for them, okay? I was in Michael's the other day, and they had like some fabric in their clearance bins. It was a lot of like canvas cotton, but some of them, it was some cotton in there as well. So don't miss out on the clearance bins at Michael's as well. They even has like some yarn in there for crocheting that I actually forgot to go back and pick up some that I saw that I was thinking about for a blanket, but it's okay. I don't need that right now. However, just know that you can still find some good deals. It's just like trying to find a needle in a haystack, but you can do it. So, yeah, let me know what you think about this haul in the comments. Let me know if you have picked up any fabric for some good deals here lately. Let us all know. And if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. I am more than happy to welcome you into the Martika J Makes family, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye bye.